everyone, welcome to Melissa Crafts. I found these two leftover carpets in my garage and I'm going to be giving it a makeover and making it into a floor mat. Now let's get started. Yeah! First you need a big sheet of paper and draw the outline of the object you want to do in the middle of your floor mat. And I'm going to draw a dolphin because it's one of my favorite animals. So I'm going to draw it. I'm going to outline the dolphin with a Sharpie because it stands out more. And your drawing needs to be as big as your carpet or smaller. Then you need scissors and cut it out the shape you're working with. And I'm cutting the piece of paper. Flip the carpet over and trace the piece of paper you cut using a Sharpie. It's okay if it gets on the paper. You're not even going to use it. Now when I'm done tracing it, I'm going to need someone to help me cut it because I'm not strong enough for this thick carpet. So I'm going to need someone to help me. Not you, Noodle.
Why am I here?
To cut this carpet. Okay, now you can do it now. I'll pay you at the end $10. Bye.
Okay. Okay, I'm done. It wasn't easy, but there you go.
Thank you, Joshua. Okay, now I'm left with this dolphin-shaped floor mat. And they're supposed to fit perfectly because they're the same size and shape. And do you like your new floor mat? Thanks for watching. Bye!